All right, people, today is the day that I get delivery of my first supercar, and I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. Nayara, what day is today?
Saturday! Ferrari day!
So check this out, you guys. I got a message this morning, woke up. Of course, it's coming on a truck from Austin, Texas. And I asked the guy that's delivering the car the ETA, and it looks like it's going to be at noon. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
You're so funny today.
Mom and Grandma, yes, Mom and Grandma are coming to see the brand new Ferrari. I'm gonna take Grandma for a ride, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I don't know if we can actually take you guys along for the ride because it's only a two-seater, but maybe we can figure something out. Also, this is kind of off topic for this video. I was in the mountains of beautiful Colorado with my business partner Brian, and we shot a brand new video on just passive income, how to start an online business, affiliate marketing business, or really any business that you want to start or even grow. Definitely want to go to the channel and watch that, which obviously you are on the channel. So just go to the previous videos that I have, check it out. It's definitely worth the watch for its production value and for its informational value as well. Only 9:38, we've got like 2.5 hours to go for the truck to show up and unload the Ferrari. Now here's the other problem we're gonna have to take care of is storage, because we've already got two cars right here. We've got the new Mercedes right here. We've got the good old Tesla. But where's the Ferrari gonna go? So I've made arrangements with a storage company. We're gonna actually put the Tesla in a storage unit, and the Ferrari is going to live in the garage. But I'd hate to leave my car out there in the front of the house, especially during the winter time. Here in Utah, winters get pretty ridiculous. And yeah, I don't want to have to go out to the car and have it be absolutely freezing. The plot thickens. All right, I know I probably should be outsourcing this, and I know a lot of you guys are gonna say that. Well, Josh, if you make so much money, why don't you just outsource, you know, getting your lawn mowed and your, you know, landscaping? Well, this is more for therapy. Sometimes I enjoy doing this. It helps me kind of get clarity on my next move in work, maybe on a new video that I'm gonna create. And it just allows me to decompress. No social media, just my thoughts. Maybe I'll listen to some audio and just enjoy it. So let's do it. Hurry up! I'm freaking out, I'm nervous.
You excited, baby?
I don't know what to do with myself.
You're so excited. I can see it in your face.
I'm stoked. It's even got me a little emotional. I know it's just a car, but this is awesome. I didn't think I would have a Ferrari at 31 years old. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, you have one now.
I haven't seen it yet though. So we'll see. Came all the way from Texas, Austin, Texas. It took about 3 days. I ordered it last week.
The guy opened the truck. Start to open. I know. Yeah, open.
So the whole neighborhood's gonna know that Josh is getting a Ferrari. Party at my house.
Important time, baby. Your first try.
Do you want to come with me? This is
No,
incredible.
go alone first. Enjoy your time. Thanks.
I love this so much. This, honestly, Nyara, this does not get old at all. What's up, dude? What do you think? I'm just like amazed. It's in oh, it's
my
in,
goodness.
It's in neutral.
We got it in sport mode.
Yeah, it's in sport right now.
You got it in race mode. I'm freaking.
We'll be right back.
Just amazed, man. Just amazed.
I know.
I mean, I was watching the car channel all night last night, and it was just like, you even got it on classic rock?
Yeah, I do, dude. It
Nice.
actually, there was like Hispanic music, and then I was
Really?
like, Nyara, change the channel. She changed the channel. So I pretty much got everything figured out now.
Yeah.
So you use this button right here,
For automatic transmission.
turn it from manual to auto or auto to manual.
Oh, okay.
This is your reverse.
Yeah.
So you can change your mirrors right here.
Where's the windows? Right here.
Right here.
I think those. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Found it. Now I'm in sport mode. Oh, sorry. A little bit of water.
Turn this down.
So, how you liking it?
Dude, it's I've been a little nervous just because like with curbs and everything, like
See?
I know it's crazy, man. You want to turn left here or do you want to go right?
Oh, I don't know. I was just like looking at stuff.
I know.
Yeah. There's
Now you're in
nobody-
second gear.
There's
Just
nobody
oh, there
behind.
you
No,
go.
I just got it in the first.
You got it. Isn't this the perfect place to drive it too?
Yeah. Man, they love to freaking run, don't they?
Oh, it just wants to go, huh?
Oh my.
You don't even redline it until 9,000 RPM.
Oh, I know, and then you're just like. Oh, there you go.
How's it holding?
Oh, I mean, I don't, I'm just being conservative. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm just like, I'm babying it,
That's-
really.
Are you?
Oh, yeah, I mean, I don't even push on the gas. How cool is that, man? I'm driving a race car, dude.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this experience with me. I had my dad there the next day. He got an opportunity to drive the car, which was just amazing to see the expression on his face. But this is a symbol. This is the hard work that I put into my business over the course of the past 5 years. And it goes to show you that you guys can truly do anything. If you have a dream and you're crazy enough to believe in it and you work towards it every single day, your dreams can come true. So with that being said, I want to thank the affiliate marketing business model, social media marketing, online marketing. Really, it's due to me taking that leap of faith 10 years ago that led me to where I'm at today. So if you guys want to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, check out the resources section below. Maybe you have a business you already want to grow. I'll provide some links there too as well. So appreciate you guys. Love you guys. If you got value from this video, please give me a like. If you could give me some hearts, I wish you could, but just give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm uploading videos pretty dang frequently, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And if you don't, then my boy Benji here is going to be upset. Right, Benji?
Yeah.
See you guys.